Alright, so this is how the road looks, and let me switch the cabin lights off. But before that, let me give you a quick peek inside the cabin. Alright, so now, okay, the fogs are on. They're hardly visible. Okay, so off, on, off, on. Okay, now the headlights. See, this video will also give you a good idea about how quiet the cabin is. Right now it's in EV mode, so of course it's too quiet, and once the engine starts, you'll get an idea about how it would be inside the cabin when the engine is running. Honestly, the headlights are a disappointment. Not at all expected at this price. I mean, the Glanza's headlights are better. That's the honest thing. Come on, Toyota, you can do better. You have fantastic headlights in the Fortuner. Those headlights should have been on this vehicle as well. And they have the audacity, perhaps it's their marketing team, to mention about the headlights, as if they were God sent. They've mentioned it, on their website amongst, the other features, that such and such headlights. Come on. See, I was playing the song To the Moon and Back, To the Moon and Back, with these dim headlights. Of course, I can't play it right now because I'll get a copyright strike. I don't want that. The cabin is quiet. The cabin is quiet. So yes, that's impressive. I guess this gives you a good idea about how bad the headlights are. I hope Toyota doesn't blacklist me for this. But even if they do, okay, I won't shy away from speaking the truth. They won't actually, okay. In fact, honestly, no manufacturer has blacklisted me for highlighting the negatives of their vehicles. And I'll tell you what, okay, deep down, although manufacturers would never tell this to journalists, you know, they actually respect those journalists who they know can't be bought. Okay, and they know that if they are actually highlighting a negative, even the manufacturers' R&D teams would not be able to say that, oh, you know what, this is wrong. Even the R&D teams would be like, yeah, this is something that ideally we should be improving. I mean, they are pathetic. They're so bad that, it's funny. Come on to it. I should have done a better job. The rest of the vehicle is pretty sorted. Of course, I'll tell you more about it in the review video. But come on, at this price, okay, any vehicle, okay, should have at least 4 times better headlights than these. Guys, I hope you liked the video, okay, and do hit that like button. Please do leave a comment and do subscribe if you haven't already, okay, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.